What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to be doing a really quick video on a cabin air filter change for a Nissan Maxima, and this will also work on the Nissan Altima. So you're going to want to start on the passenger side, and we're going to be looking up under the dash, behind the glove box. So once you're up under there, if you look to your left-hand side, you'll see this item with a tab on it here. And that is the door to the cabin filter. So to get that off, you'll push that tab up and that'll allow the door to come off. And now we can actually see our filter in here. And I'm not actually going to replace this one because I already did. But to get yours out, you'll just kind of grab the edge of it, get a hold of the edge, and then pull it out. And it's pretty tight getting these in and out of there. So just take your time, be careful. So you'll get the old one out, get your new one in. And on the new filter, you'll want to pay attention to the airflow indicator. There'll be an arrow on it. And you want that arrow pointing towards the rear of the car. So you have your new filter in with the arrow pointing towards the rear of the car. We'll put our cabin air filter door back on. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out. And I'd appreciate it.